let's make this beautiful floral arch for Ganpati. I have selected a bright orange and hot pink palette for this composition. To begin this, we will use a foam garland and saturate it with water. Put the foam in water but do not push it in. Let it soak water on its own. Once fully saturated, hang the foam on the arch as shown. The foam should be secured to the arch well with tape, otherwise, it will move. Next, we will start basing the foam using Kamini Patta. Aim is to cover 70% of the foam, leaving enough space for the florals. Add the orange marigolds first. Since the stalks are quite fat, we insert a toothpick in the flower and insert that into the foam. We must leave space for the rest of the flowers as well. Next, we add our hot pink roses. I space them out so that we add, say, 2 roses to each piece of foam. Let's add our orange roses next. It is important to keep the stalks a little long so that our arrangement looks airy and not too dense. Ensure also that the florals are at different levels, some high and some low, so that it adds more interest to our arrangement. Let's add our carnations next. Distribute the florals evenly across your arch. Also, go back and forth to check and modify the floral positions if needed. I always like to add a pop by introducing an unexpected color. Adding our pretty peach ombre carnations does just that. They have a very beautiful pink color at the tip that makes them very unique. Next, we add fillers to fill out the vacant parts. Button chrysanthemums are my favorite fillers. Let's snip them and make small bunches and distribute them all over. Again, you may need to go back and forth, find the vacant places, and fill them up with these beautiful bunches. For a bit of sparkle, I have glue gunned some mirrors to barbecue sticks. These will shine at unexpected angles and add uniqueness to your composition. And finally, baby's breath are our second set of fillers. I love these as they add a pretty laciness to my arrangement. Add a few crystal danglers and glittering drapes, and your composition is ready for showtime.